All right, so it's happening again. So we've been sitting around for an hour and 15 waiting for our third delivery. Finally just got a hold of the trucking company, and they're making every excuse under the sun. So I was meant to be here at 10 o'clock this morning. We've now been told that it won't be here until between 2 and 3. I've never had anything like this. It's quite often we'll get a delivery that's half hour, an hour, maybe at the worst an hour and a half late. But I tell you what, to be getting to have so much notice and have these bookings booked in literally weeks in advance, touching base every few days, and then confirming. Like this delivery for this morning was literally locked in last Friday. We followed them up on Tuesday, told them we were on track, and everyone kept telling us it was all fine. So it's really pissing me off because we have nothing to do here. We've stood all the panels we can. The boys are just finishing off a few fixings at the moment. Because of the situation we have at the front of the site with the power lines, we can't unload the truck with the city crane. So we have to have a frenner to pick the packs off the truck, bring them into site, and then the city crane can move them around. So we run the crane company. The crane company on this job have been absolutely fantastic to deal with. Yeah, we'd recommend them to anyone. We'll put a link in the video, but yeah, so we're going to send the frenner away. They can go and back to their yard or sit around for a couple of hours. The city crane, we spent all morning sitting it up, so it's sitting at the front of the site. We're not going to put it down and then risk the truck showing up in 3 hours' time and not be ready for it. So yeah, look, it's just one of those things, and the reason we do a lot of these videos and the reason on this job we're showing it and we're documenting it all, and we're going to put all this together and do a full 60-minute, 2-hour documentary on this entire process and build, is because I want all you guys to see how much is involved and what we have to deal with when you're doing a custom build. There is just so much. Like, I've literally been on the phone for 3 hours this morning. I've been chasing everyone up, following everyone up, trying to find out where this truck is, backwards and forwards, talking to multiple different companies. There is so much involved, and look, at the end of the day, I love it. I'm in love with this product. We're going to use it a lot more. We're definitely going to have to look for another transport company, but we'll sort something out with that side of things. But I'll definitely give it to Xlam. Like Xlam that provided this product and that we've been working with for the last couple of years to design this house. Their communication has been incredible. Like they've taken responsibility for things, they're owning things, they're working in with us to resolve our issues. They've just been absolutely fantastic, and we're definitely looking forward to doing some more work with them in the future. So we just need these bloody trucks to show up when they're meant to, and we'll be laughing.